Hello friends, today I am going to share 20 plus GK questions about India that every kid must know. So let's start. When is Independence Day celebrated in India? Answer is 15 August. When is Republic Day celebrated in India? 26 January. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. What is the national flag of India? Tiranga. Who is current President of India? Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Who is Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi. What is the national anthem of India? Jana Gana Man. What is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. What is the national emblem of India? Sarnath Lion Capital. What is the currency of India? Indian Rupee. Who is the national animal of India? Bengal tiger. Who is the national bird of India? Peacock. Who is the national aquatic animal of India? Ganges river dolphin. What is the national flower of India? Lotus. What is the national fruit of India? Mango. What is the national tree of India? Banyan tree. Who is the national reptile of India? King cobra. Which river is the national river of India? Ganga. How many states are there in India? 28. How many union territories are there in India? 8. Which is the biggest state of India? Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state of India? Goa. Who was the first President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. When Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in India? 2 October. So friends, prepare these basic questions about India to your kids. I hope you like the video. If so, please share it and subscribe my channel Sudarshan Kids for more videos. Thanks for watching.